Eating fresh and organic raw foods is very healthy. Welcome to Lifestyle Stalkers. In this video you will learn more about the health benefits of raw food diet. Raw foods are very good for human health. Either making raw foods a larger part of your diet or switching to an entirely raw food diet, it can provide a number of benefits. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you won't miss any of our lifestyle videos. A raw food diet consists entirely of uncooked, preferably organically grown plant-based foods. Largely fresh, raw fruits and vegetables, seeds, nuts, and juices. Dried fruits and vegetables may also be added to these diets. Raw food diets are almost entirely vegan, with many of the health benefits of these diets being due to the large quantities of dietary fiber and nutrients, components which are often lost when cooking or processing food. Raw foods are generally lower calorie and are easily digested. Since raw foods contain all of the enzymes which aid in their digestion, these are destroyed by cooking fruits and vegetables. What are the health benefits of eating a raw food diet? There are very little or no saturated fats or sodium, and these diets provide the magnesium, folic acid, and dietary fiber as well as other nutrients which the human body needs for good health. These diets are also detoxifying, helping the body to flush out toxins. What's on the menu in a raw food diet? Any fresh, uncooked vegetables, fruits, seeds, nuts, and other foods may be eaten as well as sprouted beans and grains. Some especially healthy choices include sprouted brown rice. This food helps slow the absorption of glucose and regulates the metabolism. Cabbage. All cruciferous vegetables are high in fiber and support a variety of crucial systems in the body. Carrots. These vegetables are rich in vitamin A and fiber and are great for the circulatory system and vision. Fennel. A good source of manganese and zinc. This vegetable is great fresh or juiced, and it has natural anti-inflammatory properties which make it especially helpful for people suffering from arthritis. If you're interested in getting the nutrients which sprouted seeds, legumes and grains offer, you may want to use a sprouted like the Easy Green Automatic Sprouted. Sprouts are great sources of protein, vitamins, minerals, enzymes, and important micronutrients. You can eat sprouts as they are, in salads, soups and other dishes. You can even juice sprouts along with other fruits and vegetables with a high-quality juicer like the Kempo Green Power. Sprouted seeds, beans and grains contain a wealth of nutrients, being excellent sources of vitamins A, E, and the B vitamins as well as essential fatty acids, lecithin, and protein. You can also get nutrition from beans, grains, and nuts by making them into non-dairy beverage with a soy milk maker like SoyQuick. You can also eat tofu or even make your own. By eating an entirely raw food diet or at least making 75% or more of your diet uncooked, unprocessed foods, you'll have access to all of the nutritional value of your food. You can warm your food a little, but make sure to keep the temperature under 116 degrees Fahrenheit in order to keep their enzymes and nutrients intact. Before you make the switch, you should always speak with your physician before making any big changes in your diet. If you have any sort of medical condition, especially anemia, or if you happen to be pregnant, get your doctor's opinion first. You should also ask your doctor about raw food diets if you plan to switch your children to this sort of diet. One thing to be aware of is that since a raw food diet tends to detoxify the body, you may experience mild reactions at first as your body flushes out stored toxins. You may experience headaches and nausea, though these should be mild and short-lived. It's a good idea to prepare at least a week in advance by limiting your intake of sugar, caffeine, and meat before you start a new raw food diet. A raw food diet can make a dramatic difference to your health as long as you're willing to put in the necessary time and effort. You will have to prepare more of your own meals than you may be used to, but there are plenty of products out there which are designed to assist you in making the transition an easier one. Check out our recent clip as well here in Lifestyle Stalkers. Be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.